Welcome to the Information Center of International Contractors. If you enjoy what you are provided, please support us by liking and subscribing. Tender Notice: Rural Road Maintenance in Côte d'Ivoire. This notice announces an invitation for bids for a project in Côte d'Ivoire, identified as Project P178362, titled Côte d'Ivoire Inclusive Connectivity and Rural Infrastructure Project, with notice number OP00334784. The tender, referenced as CICC Price I 470117 CW RFB, uses the request for bids procurement method and is published in French. Bids must be submitted by March 4, 2025, at 10 o'clock, following the publication of the notice on January 21, 2025. The coordination unit of the CI Infrastructure Recovery Project, represented by Olivier Brou, is the contact point, located at MACOM, Lot 1802, Cocody Vallons Cité Lemania 08 BP 2346 Abidjan 08, Côte d'Ivoire. This tender relates to the maintenance of unpaved rural roads within the Vallée du Bandama district, specifically in the Hambo region, Phase 1, which is divided into 3 lots. The project, supported by funds from the World Bank and Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, aims to improve rural connectivity with a budget of $500 million. The execution time for each lot varies and is specified in a table, with a firm timeframe of 8 months, followed by 2 conditional blocks of 12 months each. These timeframes are non-cumulative if a bidder wins more than 1 lot. The tender is being managed by the Cellule de Coordination de Projets d'Infrastructures en Côte d'Ivoire on behalf of the Ministry of Equipment and Road Maintenance.